So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install Scikit-Learn, which is a library based on Python used for machine learning. So installation process is very simple. Firstly, what you have to do is open your VS Code. You can do this via two ways. I will show you each and every way. Firstly, I will open my required folder. Okay, and then what will I do is I will create a file named as test.py. Then what you have to do is just click on terminal here and new terminal, and then simply type pip install scikit-learn scikit-learn. This will take some seconds. Let's wait for some seconds till it gets installed. So yeah, it is installed. Then what you have to do is just simply import sklearn here. You can see that this is showing yellow line under this. That simply means either your library is not correctly installed or there is something else. Okay, firstly I will check the Python version. You can see that I have installed this in this particular version because I have two versions installed in my computer. So you can see that this scikit-learn is installed here in this version, that is 3.11. What I have to do now is just simply click here and select the version where you have installed your scikit-learn. Just simply it will change the version. So now you can see that yellow line is removed and there is no import error. Now let's verify this. Just simply type print hello world. Okay, what this will do is as Python executes the code line by line, so when it will pass the first line, then only it will print the second line. That simply means our import is successfully imported. Our library is successfully imported if this is giving our output. Okay, so let's try running this. Python test.py. Okay, just a second guys. I will run directly from here. Run Python file. Close the terminal. Okay, so you can see that hello world. That means our scikit-learn library is successfully imported. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.